Hey guys, welcome to tutorial video. Today I'll be showing you how to use the D-iD face AI on your computer. And now let's dive right in. Now to use your D-iD AI on your computer, first open up your preferred browser. As I've already opened the Google Chrome, and go to the D-iD website by typing in d-id.com like this and hit on enter, and then you'll be directed to the home page of D-iD. So let's get to the studio page of D-iD. So in order to do that, simply click on the login button available over here where I'm hovering right now. And guys, over here you can see we are on the studio page of the D-iD AI, where at the left side of the screen you can see the create a video library, API documentation, support and pricing. You can go through these API documentation, support and pricing. We'll be just covering the create video and the video library topics. So guys, and with that being said, let's click or go to the create a video section of the D-iD like this. And from over here guys, you can see all of the presenters available currently on screen. These are the presenters available on our computer, and at the side you can see there are more generate AI presenters. This is a new function by the D-iD. You can generate AI presenters from over here. You can create an AI presenter according to your wish. And with that being said guys, we'll be just using or choosing our presenter from the D-iD, and let's click on the distribute, I guess. And after that, and after choosing your presenter, at the right side of the screen you can see the place to enter your script, the language, the voice, either the male or female, and the styles over here guys. You can choose, you can see you can choose from the assistant to the hopeful chat style, and the person will tell the script you give him in these styles. And with that being said, let's enter the script guys, and I'm just going to say, hey guys, welcome to YouTube channel. And you can see guys, this is the place to enter your script, where you can listen to your script from over here, which kind of the voice does it sounds, and you can add a 0.5 seconds break in between the gaps. And there is, you can see, continue using your text eye, and you can see these are the word counts over here, the character counts. You can, or you will also be able to upload the audio on your own voice. If you want the presenter to speak your voice, you can upload your own voice and or record your voice. If you upload the voice, you'll not be required to write the script as I did over here. The simply AI will just take your voice and use it through the styles from over here. And with that being said guys, let's choose a male voice with a Brandon, I guess. I think Brandon sounds better, and we'll not be able to choose the styles because it's not a bot account. This is just a demo account I'm trying. So guys, and with that being said, after entering your script and your presenter, just click on this button where it says the speaker, and like this, and you'll be able to hear the script on this Brandon guy's voice. Now in order to make your video sync, just click on the generate video like this. But guys, in order to generate the video, you'll be required to sign up. So guys, first sign up for the account, and when you click on the generate video, and if you have already signed up for account, that video will be available on the video library with the proper vocal on the facial sync of the AI through the presenter. And with that being said guys, this is how you use the D-iD AI on your computer. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thanks for watching guys. Peace.